Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little lantern with a jam jar. So let's get started. You're going to need a jam jar and then some lids in varied sizes. And you're going to glue these jar lids together with the largest at the bottom and the smallest at the top. You can use a glue gun, or you could use some white glue or Gorilla Glue, any kind of glue that you have. This is the cover for the jar, and that'll be the bottom. And now this is going to be the top of the lantern, like that. And I'm going to paint it black. Like that, and I'm going to let that dry. I'm also going to take some cereal box cardboard and paint that black as well. And I'll mark those at about a 1/2 inch. You can do whatever width you like. And I'll cut those out. And now I'm going to make designs over my bottle. So I'm just going to do little swirls like that, every which way. Like that. And I'm going to glue this around, covering where these are joined. And I'm going to glue this to the bottom of the bottle. Like that. And now I'm going to glue these from here to there, but not on here, because I want to be able to undo that to put the light inside. So I'm going to glue it from here to here. I'll start here at the bottom, and then I'll glue it up. Start there, so it looks straight, and tack it there. And now I'm going to go directly to the other side, and I'll glue one here. And then halfway, if you want to measure, you can. I'm just going to go by guess. And I'm going to glue another strip over the top of here. have some heavy jute, and I'm going to glue a row around the bottom. Now I'm going to cut a section for a handle, and I'll glue that on. And I'm going to glue some jute along this side as well. And now I can place this little electric light in here. Like that. And there you go, you have a cute little lantern made from a jam jar.